73 for 7 is what the Bengal Tigers have managed so far as we end 16 overs. I've got Barkha besides me and Meera, the youngest supporter of the Bengal Tigers. Are you having fun, Meera? Oh, she's having a blast. What about you, Barkha? I mean, it must be, I know it's not the best situation right now for the team, but you still seem to be enjoying yourself quite a bit.
Well, it'll really be wrong of me to say that I'm enjoying myself because, yes, the team is having hard luck today. But I guess cricket is a game where I think luck matters a lot, and I think today is one of their bad days. So I wouldn't say we're enjoying, but hey, we're still here to support the Bengal Tigers. So
definitely, and your husband Indraneel. So I mean, what has it been like for him? Have you given him any tips, any support, any motivation as he heads out there?
No. I don't think I'm really anyone to give him tips. But yes, I'm traveling with my 3-month-old daughter to every match because we just want to be there to support him. And it's not really easy traveling with the little one. But yes, we're trying to be there in whatever capacity we can. So.
And if that's not dedication, what is? What about this whole experience for the Bengal Tigers? It is, after all, their first season in the CCL. I'm sure you're looking forward to many more seasons to come. This entire extravaganza that CCL has presented, have you enjoyed it? Has it lived up to your expectations?
Oh, definitely. I think we're having a great time. It's...
Sorry, Barkha, we've got to cut back upstairs.
Thanks, Mayanti, but here, more trouble for Bengal Tigers. Ruben was just trying to play and whack the ball on the onside, missing the line of the ball completely. And they have asked for a review here, Bengal Tigers. The finger was up from the square leg umpire, but the batsman wasn't very convinced. He is remaining for them, one so far.
A sensible call, because he's the one who's looked quite good at the crease. And if he feels that he put the bat back on the crease the right time, he should go for it. That's a close one. He swung at it, he missed it, and tried to put the bat down in his follow through. This is a legal delivery behind the popping crease. That is fine for the bowler's point of view. It's the other end. It's the wicketkeeper Ayappa who affected the stumping. But the bails, when it came off the groove, where was the bat? Was it in the air, or can we see a shadow underneath that bat?
Yeah, surely seems to be a very tight call, and that's going to be touch and go for Ruben now. Although he did a good job just getting his bat in, that's going to be very, very close. Just feel the bat was slightly in the air. Will the benefit of doubt go in his favour? The bails came off the groove. Probably just in marginally. This is touch and go. This is touch and go, but just feel the benefit of doubt should go in favour of the batsman.
Very difficult. What's your call, Ajay? For me, I feel the benefit of doubt should go to the batsman. The evidence here is not so clear. It suggests that the batsman is out. Even from this angle, it's very difficult to decipher.
You're right, and I think being so close and just feel at the very last instant he just put his bat in. The important factor is when the bails came off, the bat, if you see the position of the bat, the toe end was just planted in. That should go in favour of the batsman. So close, perilously close. Well, the third umpire decision, waiting for that. On-field umpire, he was convinced at square leg. He put his finger up and finally he's been given out. The review not working in favour of Bengal Tigers. The 8th wicket falling for them. Ruben, who is looking very good, played well, has got to go back to the hut. He's out for 29. It's 75 for 8.
away from me. Wait. It's next time. Next man. Right arm over. Right arm over.
So in walks Indrashish for Bengal Tigers, losing the 8th wicket, the wicket of Ruben. That's a good delivery, in fact, a wide single by the umpire. I mean, back to the wicket of Ruben, who was looking very good. Really close call. Going for the Boyk on the onside, missing it completely. The wicket-keeper doing a very fine job. That was touch and go.
Oh, what happened there? He lost his bat and the keeper missed the stumps. And trying to run the batsman out. So Bengal Tigers, they have lost both their reviews. This is what happened in the previous delivery. He wanted to go for a run and there was an easy chance of a run out because the batsman had lost his bat. Oh!
Yeah, what was the batsman doing? Now this is a thick outside edge, running away. Long chase for the fielder. He dragged the ball in. We'll have to wait. That should be a boundary because his foot was touching the line, and that should be a signal from the umpire for a boundary. Then throwing it in, that should be another boundary for Bengal Tigers, certainly.
Good effort. That touched the skirting when he was trying to stop that ball. You can see the skirting moved and the foot touched that. He hits it well. Oh, he has cleared the fence. This is a good blow from Indrashish. That's what Bengal Tigers need at this stage. So a boundary and a 6 coming on these last 2 deliveries.
Yeah, just giving that impetus to the innings now. This was a very good strike, handsome strike. Coming from the meat of the blade, and the ball going sailing over the ropes. He's batting with some power and looks to be a man on the mission here. Going on to 10 very quickly in Indrashish of just 3 deliveries. But so far, certainly it has been a very happening over. A wicket falling. Run scored. That's the end of the over. 86 for 8.